For those who care, a dashcam is an impartial witness on the road rather than just another car gadget. But finding the right one can get pretty confusing with all the talk of sensors and specs. So let's cut through the noise. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best dashcams you can get right now. We'll look at everything from a great starting point to a true top-of-the-line model to help you find the perfect fit for your car. Let's begin. First up, we've got the REDTIGER F7NP. This one makes the list because it packs a ton of high-end features into a really accessible package. It's a strong starting point for just about anyone. Let's talk about the cameras first. You're getting a dual setup here. A 4K camera captures everything out your front windshield, while a 1080p camera keeps an eye on what's happening behind you. This is great for getting clear shots of important details like license plates. The lenses are also super wide, 170° in the front and 140° in the back. These help cover multiple lanes and reduce blind spots. The camera also combines a large f1.5 aperture with WDR technology for night driving. What that means is it's designed to balance light and shadows, so you get clearer and more detailed footage in low light conditions. Then there's the built-in GPS. It automatically logs your driving route, location, and speed, which can add a lot of credibility if you ever need to make an insurance claim. Plus, it has Wi-Fi, so you can connect it to your phone. You can view, download, and share clips directly through an app without ever needing to pull out the memory card. It's also got all the safety features you'd expect, like a G sensor that automatically locks footage during a collision. There's even a 24-hour parking monitor, but keep in mind, you'll need a separate hardwire kit for that to work. From what users report, the video quality is as good as what you'd expect from something within this budget. The main thing to know is that the standard suction mount can sometimes struggle in high heat, so you might consider using an adhesive mount instead. Yet overall, it's a really solid device to get you started. Next, we've got the ROVE R2 4K Pro. Now, this one is a bit different because it's a single camera system, but it really focuses on doing that one job exceptionally well. The heart of this dash cam is its video quality. It records in stunning 4K UHD, powered by a high-quality Sony sensor. Combined with its f1.5 aperture, it's designed to pull in a lot of light, which is exactly what you need for clear footage, especially after the sun goes down. The 150° wide-angle lens is also wide enough to capture the whole road ahead without issue. One of its standout features is the connectivity. It has dual-band Wi-Fi. In simple terms, that means you get much faster video transfers to your phone. Through the ROVE app, you can manage all your clips, adjust settings, and even get firmware updates without messing with any cables. Plus, its built-in GPS tracks your speed and location, giving you a complete record of any event. You also get a comprehensive set of safety features. It has the expected G sensor for impact detection and a voice guidance system that gives you audible alerts. The 24-hour parking mode is pretty advanced, offering time-lapse, motion detection, and collision detection modes. Just remember, you'll need to get a hardwire kit to enable it. Instead of a battery, it uses a supercapacitor, which is a great feature. It's built to withstand extreme temperatures, making it more reliable in both hot summers and cold winters. Users often point to the video clarity and the easy-to-use app as major wins. The main thing to consider is that it's a front-facing camera only. But if your priority is capturing the best possible view out your windshield, this is a fantastic choice for the price. Breaking into our top 3, we have the Garmin Dashcam X310. You probably know Garmin for their GPS devices, and they bring a lot of that smart technology into this dashcam. First, the image quality is excellent. It records in 4K resolution with a 140° field of view. But the interesting part is the lens itself, which has a built-in polarizer. Think of it like a pair of polarized sunglasses for your camera. It's designed to cut down on glare from your windshield, which makes a big difference in bright, sunny conditions. Now, let's get to the smart features, because this is where the X310 really stands out. It has voice control, so you can just tell it to save a video or start recording without taking your hands off the wheel. And it connects to Garmin's cloud service called the Vault. This unlocks some powerful capabilities. For example, the parking guard feature can send an alert to your phone if it detects an incident while you're parked. You can even get a live view from the camera remote. But the catch is, to get the most out of these cloud features, you'll need a constant power source and a paid subscription. The design is also very clean. It's compact and uses a low-profile magnetic mount, making it pretty discreet. Just know that it's a front-facing camera out of the box, and that powerful remote access is tied to a subscription. Yet for those to whom it matters, it's a really polished device that blends top-tier recording with some truly useful smart tech. And then, we have the Vantrue N4 Pro. What sets it apart is that it's a 3-channel system. That means you're getting total coverage, front, back, and inside your car. Let's break that down. The front camera records in true 4K using a high-end StarVis 2 sensor. This is a big deal for low-light performance. The interior camera records in 1080p and has 4 infrared LEDs, so it can clearly capture the cabin even in complete darkness. And finally, you get a separate 1080p rear camera that keeps an eye on the road behind you. The night vision on this thing is really impressive. The combination of that advanced front sensor and what Vantrue calls plate pix technology is specifically designed to make license plates easier to read, even when they're in motion or in poorly lit areas. It also comes loaded with some smart features. You've got voice control for hands-free operation, allowing you to say things like lock video or take photo. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi ensures quick file transfers to your phone, and the built-in GPS logs all your driving data for an extra layer of evidence. Its parking mode is also very advanced, offering buffered motion detection. This means it actually starts recording before a potential incident happens. Just like the others, you'll need a hardwire kit to take full advantage of it. All in all, for anyone who wants a complete all-around surveillance system for their vehicle, the N4 Pro is an incredible package. And now, for our number 1 spot, we have the VIOFO A229 Pro. This is the one that, in my view, gets just about everything right. It's all about delivering uncompromising video quality, both day and night. Here's why it's at the top. You're getting a dual camera system, but the quality here is exceptional. The front camera uses a Sony StarVis 2 sensor to record in true 4K, and the rear camera isn't an afterthought. It also has a StarVis 2 sensor and records in a crisp 2K resolution. It even comes with a CPL filter right in the box, which helps cut down on windshield glare for an even clearer picture. But the thing is, those advanced sensors truly shine in the dark. This is what VIOFO calls Night Vision 2.0, which is engineered to capture sharp details, like license plates, even when there's very little light. The HDR technology also does a great job of balancing bright headlights and dark shadows. Of course, it's packed with smart features like voice controls for hands-free operation and voice notifications that alert you to any issues. The buffered parking mode is also a standout, recording 15 seconds before an event is even detected. When you combine that top-of-the-line front and rear video quality with all the essential smart features, you get a dashcam that's reliable, powerful, and just performs. That's why the VIOFO A229 Pro deservedly takes our top spot. Thanks for stopping by. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe to Master iTech for more tech content like this. Catch you in the next video.